This is how you can find the largest number in a list in Python. So let's say that you have a list like this and you want to find the largest number which is inside this same list. So in order for you to do that, you can use the max function. So the max function, it returns the highest value which is inside a list. How you can do that? Let's see. In order for you to do that, we can do something like this. So this is our list. So if I want to find the largest number, I can just do something like this: print, open and close. Then after that, I'm going to use the max function, max, then open and close. And after this, I need to give it any argument, okay, any parameter. So for that, I'm going to send this list. So I'm going to call it nums, okay. Then I'm going to save this. So in order for us to see the result, I can just print this. If I print, boom, as you can see, we got 11. So as we can see, 11 is the highest number present in this list. So when to use the max function? So you can use the max function when you are working for rankings, scores, or maybe for simple data comparison. That is the best case for you to use the max function. But when not use the max function, so don't use max function on empty lists, because max function will cause an error in your code. So this is how you can find the largest number in Python within a list.